Also new tonight, a Polk County court issued an injunction blocking Iowa Secretary of State Paul Pate's office from certifying the November ballots. That's due to a petition from the Libertarian Party of Iowa, which says its congressional candidates were unfairly kicked off the ballot last week. State Capitol reporter Connor Hendricks joins us live. Connor, you've been checking in with the Secretary of State's office all day. What is the latest?
Well, Danielle, today is the deadline for Secretary Pate's office to certify the ballots for the November election. Once he does that, counties can then begin printing those November ballots. This injunction gives the Libertarian Party of Iowa a little bit more time to make their case as to why their candidate should be put back on the November ballot. These candidates were kicked off the ballot last week by a state objection panel who found that the party didn't follow proper procedure when holding their county conventions. The party says that the objection panel made multiple mistakes when it kicked their congressional candidates off. They say that holding conventions too early was a, quote, technical violation, and that the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that states can't dictate how political parties choose their convention delegates. They also have concerns with the objectors themselves, who didn't have to prove their identity to get the candidates kicked off. Jules Cutler, the party chair, says the state objection panel's decision was meant to silence them.
I am from Soviet Union. We did have one person on the ballot. We are now going to have only two. Iowa needs more choices, and silencing us is what this is about.
A spokesperson for Secretary Pate's office says that they will not be certifying any of the races on the ballot today. They say they hope they'll have more clarification tomorrow on the possible next steps. Pate's office says the ballots have to be ready to go by September 21st, which is a federal requirement, so any decision would likely come from the court sometime soon. Live at the Iowa Capitol Bureau, Connor Hendricks, KCRG TV 9 News.
Governor